When we look up at the night sky, the stars don't all shine the same. Some glow bluish-white, others appear yellow, orange, or even red. These colors aren't just beautiful, they're clues to the star's temperature. The physics behind this comes from something called Blackbody radiation. Any hot object emits light across a range of wavelengths, but the peak wavelength depends on its temperature. This is described by Wien's law: the hotter the star, the shorter the wavelength of its peak emission. Blue stars hottest, often above 10,000 K. Yellow stars, like our Sun, around 6,000 K. Red stars cooler, about 3,000 K. Astronomers use images and spectra to measure this. By analyzing the star's light with a spectrograph, they create a curve showing brightness at each wavelength. The peak of that curve tells us the star's surface temperature. Hot objects emit light across many wavelengths, but the peak wavelength depends on temperature. This relationship is described by Wien's displacement law. Lambda max equals b divided by T, where lambda max is the wavelength of peak emission, T is the temperature in Kelvin, and B is a constant equal to 2.9 by 10 raised to -3 millikelvin. Let's take our Sun as an example. Its spectrum peaks around 500 nanometers, which is in the green part of the visible spectrum. Using Wien's law, T equals 2.9 times 10 raised to -3 divided by 5.0 by 10 raised to -7, which gives about 5,800 K. That's why the Sun's surface temperature is about 5,800 Kelvin. Even though the peak is green, the Sun emits across the whole visible range, so it appears white-yellow to our eyes. But there's more. Stars also have unique absorption lines, dark lines in their spectra caused by elements in their atmospheres. These lines act like fingerprints, and their strength depends on temperature. For example, hydrogen lines are strongest in stars around 10,000 K, while cooler stars show strong molecular bands. Astronomers use a spectrograph attached to a telescope to spread a star's light into its component wavelengths, creating a spectrum, like a rainbow but with fine detail. Hydrogen atoms absorb light at very specific wavelengths. The most famous set is the Balmer series, which appears in the visible range. H-alpha 656 nanometers, red. H-beta 486 nanometers, blue-green. H-gamma 434 nanometers, violet. H-delta 410 nanometers, violet. In the spectrum, these show up as dark lines where hydrogen atoms in the star's atmosphere absorb photons. Take a spectrum of a hot star like Vega. You'll notice strong hydrogen Balmer lines. That tells us Vega's atmosphere contains hydrogen, and the strength of those lines also indicates its temperature is around 10,000 K, because hydrogen lines are strongest at that range. In the end, the light from a star is more than just a twinkle in the sky, it's a code we can read. By measuring the peak wavelength of its spectrum with Wien's law, we uncover its surface temperature, like how the Sun's peak near 500 nanometers reveals a temperature of about 5,800 Kelvin. And by examining the unique absorption lines, such as the hydrogen Balmer series, we identify the elements that make up its atmosphere. Together, color and spectral fingerprints allow astronomers to transform simple images of starlight into a powerful story about a star's heat, composition, and life. Every star carries its own signature, and with physics, we can read it.